What's up everybody, it's Luke, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI, but not just the tech itself. We're talking about how you can actually use it to build wealth. Forget the robot takeover headlines, this is about taking advantage of this incredible technology to level up your financial game. Over the next few minutes, we'll unpack 5 powerful strategies, from content creation to investing, and break down exactly how AI can become your secret weapon for financial success. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for smart ways to grow your money, stick around because this video is for you.
Let's kick things off with one of the most accessible ways to leverage AI content creation. We're talking about using AI tools to help you write articles, scripts, even generate ideas for your next viral video. Think about it, AI can analyze trends, optimize your headlines for search engines, and even help you write in a way that resonates with your target audience. This means you can create more content in less time with a higher chance of success, and that translates to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. AI can help you polish your writing, eliminate grammatical errors, and even suggest different writing styles to better connect with your audience. Imagine having a virtual editor working alongside you 24/7, helping you refine your content to perfection. This is especially powerful if you're running a blog, YouTube channel, or any platform where consistent, high-quality content is key. By integrating AI into your workflow, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter, and that's how you turn your passion into a profit.
Now let's shift gears and talk about how AI is revolutionizing the world of web development. Imagine a world where building websites and apps becomes faster, more efficient, and dare I say, even enjoyable. That's the promise of AI in web development. AI-powered tools are already out there that can automate repetitive coding tasks, identify and fix bugs in real time, and even generate entire website layouts based on your specifications. This means developers can focus on the more creative and complex aspects of their work while AI handles the heavy lifting. The result? Projects get completed faster, clients are happier, and developers can take on more projects, leading to increased earning potential. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding whiz to benefit from this. Even if you're just starting out, AI can be your co-pilot, guiding you through the process and helping you build a killer online presence. As AI continues to reshape industries, businesses everywhere are scrambling to integrate this game-changing technology. But here's the catch. Most businesses don't know where to start. That's where you come in, the AI consultant. This is all about leveraging your knowledge of AI to help businesses navigate this new landscape. Think of yourself as a translator between the complex world of AI and the practical needs of businesses. You could be helping them implement AI-powered chatbots for customer service, analyze data to optimize their marketing campaigns, or even develop a custom AI solution tailored to their specific needs. The demand for AI expertise is skyrocketing, and as a consultant, you have the flexibility to set your rates, choose your clients, and build a business around your own terms. Whether you're a seasoned AI professional or just starting to explore this field, becoming an AI consultant could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's talk about taking your AI game to the next level, developing your own AI applications. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's more attainable than you might think. The key is to identify a problem that you're passionate about solving, and then explore how AI can be used to create a solution. This could be anything from an app that helps people learn a new language faster using AI-powered personalized lessons, to a tool that automates tedious tasks for freelancers, freeing up their time to focus on higher-value work. Once you have your idea, there are tons of resources available to help you bring it to life. From online courses to open-source AI libraries, you don't need a computer science degree to get started, and the potential rewards are huge. By creating a successful AI application, you're not just building a product, you're building a business with recurring revenue through subscriptions, licensing fees, or even acquisition by a larger company. For our final strategy, let's talk about how to put your money where the AI is by investing in AI startups. This is a high-risk, high-reward game, but with the right knowledge and a bit of luck, it has the potential to generate significant returns. The key here is to identify promising startups early on, those with innovative ideas, a solid team, and the potential to disrupt their respective industries. This requires research, attending industry events, and networking with other investors to stay ahead of the curve. Of course, investing in startups is never a sure thing, but with AI rapidly transforming every sector, the opportunities for growth are immense. Imagine investing in the next Google or Amazon, but in the world of AI. So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to unlock wealth with AI. It's clear that AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a present-day reality with the potential to reshape our financial landscape. Whether you're creating content, developing websites, or investing in the next big AI startup, the opportunities are out there for those willing to embrace this technology. Remember, the future of wealth creation isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, and AI is the ultimate tool for doing just that. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these strategies today and position yourself for success in the age of AI.